Hi to everybody. Today we are going to raise a scientific question related to our daily life, and we are going to give a scientific explanation. Imagine you have a car and you want to turn its direction, so you push the wheels from the outside. Compare the huge force you have to apply in order to turn the wheels of the car with the tiny force that the driver has to apply to the wheel, to the direction wheel of the car from inside. Can you explain how is it possible, how we can multiply the tiny force applied by the driver to get so huge effects? The explanation has to do with hydrostatic and particularly with Pascal's law, and it tells you the main difference of the behavior between solids and liquids or gases. Solids transmit forces, but on the other hand, fluids, liquids or gases, transmit pressure. We are going to give a couple of examples. Here I have a solid which is made of wood. Imagine I apply a force in a horizontal direction. We get the same force in the horizontal direction, but we are not going to get any force in the vertical one because solids transmit forces. But on the other hand, here I have a cream container. When I apply a force, a horizontal force, we are not going to transmit force, but we are going to transmit pressure to every direction. So we can get the cream go outside because the horizontal pressure is transmitted in the vertical direction. And this law can multiply forces because if we have a syringe, here I have a syringe, where imagine we have filled the syringe with water, which is an incompressible fluid. When we apply a tiny force to a tiny surface, we don't transmit this tiny force, but we transmit pressure. Maybe the ratio of force to area is large, so we can get a large force applied to the large area, which is at the other side of the syringe. So to sum up, Pascal's law states that liquids transmit pressure, not forces, and its main application is to multiply forces in a hydraulic device. Bye.